Right. So for this question, we've got to remember microwaves travel at the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. And the frequency that they're telling us is 265 gigahertz, which is 265 times 10 to the 9 hertz. The wave equation, C equals lambda f. I rearrange that for wavelength. That'll be speed divided by frequency. So I need to do 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by 265 times 10 to the 9. Just do that on the calculator there. You're going to use E notation, 3E8 divided by 265 E9. And that's the answer that it gives me.